A. Provide a biblical passage that captures your module learning journey. Love is patient, love is kind, it always protect, always trust, always hope, always perseveres. First Corinthians 13 verse 4, 7. This verse truly reflects my experience in this module because it shows what real love should be like, especially in the marriage and family life. It reminds me that love is just not about happiness and romance, but about patience, sacrifice, and staying committed even when things get difficult. What are the significant learning activities that I've done in the module? Some of the main activities I did in this module were the wedding list activity, where I thought about the real preparations needed for marriage, the louder reflections about my readiness for marriage, the mastery quiz, and the final self-reflection on everything I learned. These activities help me to understand the lesson more deeply and apply it in my own life. See, what are the significant realization learnings that made impact in my formation as a Letternites in this module? One of my biggest realization is that marriage is a lifelong commitment that needs deep preparations, not something that I should be rushed. I also realized that love is a decision, not just feeling, and that being a future spouse and parent means being responsible, faithful, and selfless. Learning about responsible and responsive parenting made me appreciate my parents even more, understand how important their role in shaping my life. These lessons helped me grow in responsibility and faith as a Letternite. How do I feel about my learning experiences and challenges encountered in this module? I feel grateful, challenged, and more aware of myself after completing this module. Some lessons were heavy because they made me reflect on my future and my responsibilities, but they helped me grow as a person. Overall, I feel thank you because this module helped me look at love, marriage, and family in a more serious and meaningful way. Thank you.